My name is Taiwo Wada, and you are welcome to Learning and Earning series with Taiwo Goes IQ. Today we are going to look at the concept of indices for the beginners in order for them to understand the concept of mathematics. It is my belief that if you want to perfect your mathematics, you must understand the laws of what indices very well. Today we are going to begin with what is even indices. And sometimes indices question can follow as 3n, a raised to power n, 3a raised to power n, theta raised to power n, s and y raised to power n. And why did I write all these things on the board? First, the definition of indices simply means the way of shorting or writing a number multiply itself. Okay, the way of shorting or writing a number multiply itself is what we call indices. And when you look at this 3 raised to power n, we call this n the power or the index or the exponent. That is the name of the n. Why this Mr. 3 is called the base. And this n can range from 1, 2, 3, 4 down to what? Infinity. If I have 3 raised to power 1, it means I have 3 only one time. And if I have 3 raised to power 2, it means that this 3 multiply itself 2 times. If I have 3 raised to power 3 times 3 raised to power 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 3 places, it means this 3 is multiplied itself 3 times. Having known what is the definition of indices, as we say, the way of what? Writing or shorting a number multiply itself. If I have 3 raised to power n, remember I say that the n starts from 1 to what? Infinity. We say that the n can be the power or the index, the exponent, while the 3 represent the what? The base, while the n can start from what? 1, 2, 3, 4 down to what? Infinity. From there, we can move to what? The multiplication law of what? Indices. Okay, we look at the multiplication law of indices. Multiplication laws of indices. Now, what is the multiplication law of indices state? The multiplication law of indices state that if the base are the same, you add the power. Example, maybe we are asked to simplify 3 raised to power n times 3 raised to power n. The 3 are the what? The base, they are the same. It means that our answer will now be what? 3 raised to power n plus what? N. Because the multiplication law of indices state that if the base are the same, you add the power. And our final answer will be what? 3 raised to power 2n. Example, when we have a raised to power 2 times a raised to power 3, and we are asked to simplify, it means that we look at the base are a, and the power are 2 and 3. Since the base are the same, what do? We add the power. We are going to have a raised to power 2 plus 3 will now give us what? A raised to power what? 5. Not only what? Numbers. It can be numbers, it can be letter, and it can also be combination of numbers and letter. It can also be theta. In the situation where we have theta raised to power 2 times theta raised to power 3. In this case, our answer will now be theta raised to power 2 plus 3, and our final answer will be theta raised to power 5. And it can also be combination of what? Numbers and letter as what? 3a raised to power 2 times what? 3a raised to power what? 4. Since the base are the same, 3a, we add the power. We can now have 3a is equals to what? 2 plus 4. And our final answer now what? 3a is equals to what? 6. That is the what? The concept of what? Indices. We must understand the concept of indices, and if you want to master indices, follow this my channel, subscribe. We have just started. We are going to solve a variety of questions regarding the multiplication law of what? Indices. For now, we have understand the definition of indices as what? The way of writing or shorting a number multiplied it what? Itself. And we say that the a n start from 1, 2, 3 to infinity, while the 3 stand for the what? The base. If you know you enjoy this lesson, subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you. Remain blessed.